Hi there, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you what the reserve inventory feature does and why it's necessary or how to use it. So you know how sometimes a customer can be shopping and add items to cart, but don't check out, they don't pay, and then the item is just sitting in the cart and nobody else can buy because it's basically deducted from your inventory. In a case where, for example, running a sale and you have 10 items and there's just that product sitting in a customer's cart without them paying, it means that other customers cannot buy. Now, we've set up or we've added a feature or a setting that allows you to recall that item back to your inventory after a period of time. So, reserve inventory allows the system to temporarily hold the inventory until the purchase is completed or until the reservation time expires. Now, how do you set this up? So first of all, you have to navigate to general settings, which you can find under operations on the left side of your screen, the menu on the left side of your screen. So once you come here, you're going to find reserve inventory under the inventory settings, and we have it right here. Now, all you need to do first of all is toggle it on. So it says here, reserve items in the cart for a set period of time. Inventory is temporarily held until the purchase is completed or the reservation time expires. Now you've toggled it on. The next thing to do is to set the time to cancel the order. So it says here, set a time limit after which unpaid orders will automatically be cancelled if the payment is not made. Then this removes the item from the reserved inventory and other customers can buy it. So now all you need to do here is set a time. So once you set 3 hours, it means that that item that has not been paid for is in your reserved inventory for 3 hours. And if it is not paid for in 3 hours, then it goes back to your inventory and then other customers can now buy it. So all you need to do is just select if you want it to be 1 day, if you want it to be a couple of hours, or if you want it to be a couple of minutes, you can just set that here. And once you're done, you click on save and you get this prompt. So it says here, turning on reserved inventory means items in the customer's cart are temporarily held for the time you have set. It will not reduce your available stock quantity, which is your actual stock quantity. You will, however, see the item. This setting works best with online payments like Paystack, where payment is confirmed automatically. We recommend a reservation time of a minimum of 30 minutes to ensure smooth sales and stock management. And then once you click on save, this setting has been updated and you have successfully turned on reserve inventory. Now let's see what reserve inventory looks like on the website. So let's say you've set it up. Let's actually see what your customers will see. So now we're on the website and we want to shop as a customer. So let's say we want to buy this product. So once you add it to cart, you can check out as a customer, and let's say you check out. Now, when your customer scrolls as they're checking out, they're going to see this prompt here that says, please complete your payment within 3 hours to avoid other cancellation. So that's how reserve inventory works. So now they know that they have to complete their payments in 3 hours. Otherwise, the product will go back into your inventory and the order will be cancelled. So that's how reserve inventory works. It allows you to not have products just sitting in a customer's cart forever, and you can send items back to your inventory and have other people shop. I'll see you in the next video.